In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, hold the power key in order to shut off your device. Tap on power off once more and wait for it to power off. When the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. So power, volume up. And when you see the Redmi logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So in here you will use volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down, volume up goes up, as you can see now. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, you can simply reboot the device from here, wipe data, and connect with Mi Assistant. So not very many options, but yeah. And you will basically select each one of them and press power key to perform it. Now as an example, I'm just going to use the reboot option to leave this mode as well. So once it's selected, power key, reboot to system, power key once more, and wait for the device to go back to Android. And you can see that we're back in the Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.